Welcome, little friends, how are you? Are you ready to learn?
Yay!
This is an apple. You can repeat after me. This is an apple. Now it's your turn to read. Good job. Now we can read it together. This is an apple. The apple is red. You can repeat after me. The apple is red. Now it's your turn to read by yourself. Good job, little friend. Now can we read it together? The apple is red. Well done. I like the apple. Now repeat after me. I like the apple. Good job, little friend. Now it's your turn to read. Now, can we read it together? I like the apple. Good job. Well done. Okay, now let's read the last sentence. It is very sweet. You can repeat after me. It is very sweet. Good job. Now, can you read by yourself? I'm so proud of you. Now let's read together. It is very sweet. Good job, little friend. Now we are going to read sentences together. This is an apple. The apple is red. I like the apple. It is very sweet. Well done, little friend. Thanks for learning and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.